I'm Lisa, a product manager at ClockShark. I'll be using a device to record my screen so I can provide an in-app walkthrough of ClockShark's CS Time Clock's job site clockout reminder. This location-based feature helps employees reduce the need to edit timesheets with their managers for payroll, enabling them to proactively resolve potential payroll issues themselves. Minimizing timesheets revisions enables them to have an efficient workplace experience and get paid on time. As first-time users, we'll need to enable location permissions and notification permissions to experience the job site clockout reminder. First step in the workflow is to open the ClockShark app and log in. User will first see the location priming screen. When they tap continue, they'll get the system dialog. They should have it set to precise, and then at this point they can choose while using or only this time. The next screen they'll see is the notification priming screen. This will allow them to get that job site clockout notification. If I tap enable notifications, I'll get the system dialog for the notifications, and they must tap allow in order for this notification to work. When they're on the home screen, they'll tap clock in. This is when they'll see the second location priming screen. The reason we need to allow all the time is because our users are handy field service people. They're using their phones to clock in, track data, track all their hours, and they cannot have their phones out and the app accessible while they're doing their work. So we do require them to allow all the time so that we can collect their background locations in order to give them all of the data that they're expecting. Okay, so then we'll get the system prompt, tap allow all the time, ensure that precise location is on, and then we'll go back to our clock in workflow. Now we can select a job with a geofence, and select a task, and we can complete our clock in. This is where the experience will differ for the user and the reviewer. At this point, the user is on the clock. They are hopefully located within the geofence that they've clocked into, and they are working. If this user remains clocked in and then exits that geofence, that is when they're going to receive the job site clockout reminder in order to help them remember to clock out so that they don't have to go back and edit their timesheets with their manager later. As a reviewer, we don't want you to have to physically leave your desk, and so you will receive this job site clockout reminder somewhere between the 10 and 15 minute mark. Since I'm doing a screen recording, I will pause here, I'll let the clock run, and then I'll come back when that notification appears to wrap up the walkthrough. And as we can see here, we just received the job site clockout notification. You let the job site, don't forget to clock out. On tap, that brings the user back to the clock-in page where they can then complete their clockout. Thank you for watching this demo. Really appreciate your time, and we hope this explains a little bit more about our background location usage. Have a great day.